Good morning, one and all, and a warm welcome to our Girls College Sanctuary, known as Acacia Place. Happy Fulfilment certainly has been our core theme for our 70th year, and hence it really is most fitting this morning that we open our very own special Acacia Place Centre. Acacia Place draws its name from the beautiful acacia trees. Acacia trees in the African tradition are very spiritual trees, and they symbolize regeneration, perseverance and integrity. Kerry Ann Delbridge, together with her team, have really worked over the last 3 years to create this magnificent space and really transform a former campus home. As part of the vision, we really wanted a space slightly detached from the school itself to offer our students a place of privacy and confidentiality. And I think you'll all agree that this environment really is that wonderful, quiet and restorative place where both our staff and students are able to meet and to be a part of.